Hi, welcome back everyone. We are going to work on the last page of our packet today. Let's start rewriting the formulas for slope, distance, and midpoint. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 for points x1, y1, and x2, y2. And then our distance formula is x2 minus x1 to the second power plus y2 minus y1 to the second power. And then our midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, which is average of x-axis values, and then the same for y1 plus y2 over 2. We use slope formula to prove parallel lines. And two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. And also we use slope formula to prove perpendicular lines. Their slopes should be opposite reciprocals, which means the product is -1. The proper notation, for example, for segment AB would be like this. M of segment AB, which means the slope of segment AB. Now let's look at distance formula. We use distance formula to find the length of any segment. But for horizontal or vertical segments, we just count how many units we have. In terms of notation, we use a notation, for example, for segment AB again, we use a notation as length of segment AB equals, and then we just use the coordinates to plug in. This means length of segment AB. And finally, we have midpoint formula. We use midpoint formula when we want to find the middle of a segment. Please don't forget, midpoint is always an ordered pair. We can use a notation M for the midpoint and then the ordered pair as X and Y. this part of the summary page for you to add your own notes from videos, textbook, and maybe coursework. I'm done. Have a wonderful day, guys.